Right, it's got to go back well, no, it's got to go back Wednesday evening, but I'm not working tomorrow Wednesday. So, in some fashion, it's going to have to go back today. So what I'm going to do, we got this inner structure. I'm going to do these two bits. The front bit I'll have to wait, I'll have it back for that. So, what I'm going to do is cut where that line is off there so I can blend that join. Then I'm going to work out how I'm going to, just how, really. Yeah, how. It'll be fine. Right, what I've done is cut a bit higher to where that repair panel went. But it needs to come out in order, well, it needs to come out, or this needs to go in. So what I might do is give that a little tap. And also bend this bit. It's a little bit low there, see? Oh, it's actually not bad. Bit more of a bend in this panel, I think, and bring this ridge out a little bit. I'm using my gold ones because I picked the wrong drill bit up, which was a bit of a disaster. I thought I remembered I had gold ones. And then what we'll do is we'll bring it, take the cut there, and then down underneath. Jig it up, get some rust treatment on it. See, that's where I want it, really, there. But, like I said, I might try and take this in a little bit. And it's come out a bit there. Interesting. Right, so drill some more holes, drill holes extra 2, and then take them out a bit. And then take those out big enough to plug weld in across the bottom of our new panel, and then we're getting it. So getting a bit happy with how this is. That's more what we wanted. Might just nudge it that way a little bit to line this side up a little bit better. Maybe not that much, but do take a bit off there, I think. But that is that's getting it. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Right, let's get some weld on. Right, this isn't particularly pretty. It's also really quite hot, but the lines are lining reasonably. Just drilled some holes to put a bridging plate in this front section like that, which go inside. Get that sorted. And then I want to get these two sections on, buttoned up, done. I don't think we're going to get to that today, so I think some of these bits need doing as well. Right. Okay, I think we're starting to see some sort of, I've got to take this weld down a little bit more. but the lines are, you've got line down there, the line of the step, the bump, and the line of the step are not bad. Just got to take this weld down a bit more and then go over it with sandpaper. That's good. This, we put this curved bridging section in there like that, and again, it's not bad. Not bad. So I'm going to put some plugs in this side. Get that one in and just get on a massive grinding operation now. Might have to take a little bit off. Oh, I don't know. A little bit off there. Not loads though. We've just about got our angles. So I'm going to tie this front edge in first, while pushing that back like that. Then fill that plug. Don't go too high because I think this is going to melt and catch fire. So don't do that really. Then plug across the bottom and come around this edge then. I think we're doing alright. Right, this is really as good as the panels. The panels aren't all that, to be honest. Right. I'm sure it's possible to do this without ending up with like an entire mishmash of tools on the floor, but I haven't done it yet. Right, that's the initial grind off on the front section. I've also levelled off the bottom of the sill, just by eye. There's that. Clean this up quite a bit more now, and then get a bit of primer on it. Don't know if I'm going to have time to fill it today, we'll see. Well, it's only really that gap there that needs filling, but I need to, all those welds need to come down slightly, all those welds need to come down slightly. That's not actually too bad. This needs a slight more grind off, but it's getting there. This is it for, that'll do for now. I'll have it back next week and actually finish it. I bought some filler but I didn't have time. So I've just stuck a coat of anti-corrosion primer on it. On the bit that I've done and on the back repair as well. So it looks a lot better than it did. So, we're out of time. Haven't lost that. Okay. Right, I don't know why I didn't video any of this. This is the repair for the forward. Which went quite a lot bigger, as you can see. I'm hoping to put this audio into it. He seam sealed on the back, seam sealed on the front, and then primed, and that's how he had it back. So happy days.